Hi. Gary Keller tells us that more of our agents are not profitable because they're focused on production versus focused on profit. My name is Jeannie Osnes. I'm a MAPS coach, and I had the privilege of writing this course, Profit Camp, with Gary Keller, with you in mind, for you to have that life worth living. So let me ask you this. What are the things that you've been talking about for far too long? One day I want to, fill in the blank. Is it get out of debt? Is it put money away for retirement? Invest it back into my business? Take my family to Italy? Whatever those things are, let's get intentional on making sure that we're making enough money to do those things in addition to paying your business expenses and your personal expenses. What is it you're doing this for? Let's make sure that we're focused on your profit, how much profit you need to have that life worth living. And then what we'll do together is I'll teach you how to reverse engineer the numbers, so now you know how much production you need to do in order to create the profit that you intend to make, rather than just hoping that there's money left over at the end of the year that's actually going to be your profit. So let's make this year your intentional about profit year versus intentional about whatever's left over a year. So join us for Profit Camp. It's only a 3-hour course, and I guarantee it could actually change the trajectory of your business and your life. Look forward to seeing you there.